Alrighty, guys. While here today, I'm bringing you two box openings of the Oshinoko 2 box from White Schwartz. So let's get into it. Desk is a little bit of a mess. Let's find this. Sorry about the squeaky noise here in the background. My puppy decided he wants to play with this squeaky toy at the moment. Alright, let's get into this. I really do love this series. I'm glad I'm opening some of it. I have not opened any Oshi. So, starting off, we have a going second. I just realized how dark it looks in here. Give me 1 second to try and fix that. Never mind, I don't know where my cord is. Okay, wish I could fix it, but I can't at the moment. Here's our second box, and going first, Kana. Alrighty. Hopefully we get something cool. My hope is that I get the signed Ruby card. I doubt that's going to happen, but you never know. All right, let's get into it. Starting off with a nice Intense Emotions, Acting Aqua Toki. And a just a little longer Kama Arima. Nice. And then we got Theater Date, Akane. We have Honest Thoughts I. We have Immersed into the Role, Akane. Struggling to read, I'm sorry. Nice. We got the On a Starry Night, Akane. This is, I believe, used for the competitive Oshi deck. And a Dream Wished For I. We got Room Tour Video, Kana. I should really do a deck list for the deck I run. And here we go. This is actually the one I do run. Her own unique color, Ruby. I do have a deck for a Ruby deck for her. So. And then we got Spectating in whatever, Aqua Ink, Akane. And we got, oh, a Dream Wished For I. Beautiful. Nice card there. Happy New Year, Kana Arima. Uh, Encounter in the Morning Fog Ruby. And As the Girlfriend, Akane. Nice. And Theater Date Aqua. We got Meet Up on Christmas Eve I, really good card. And Living on the Stage, Akane. Last pack for our first box. And Happy Halloween, Mimcho. Oh, wrong pile. All right, on to the first pack of our second box. Theater Date Aqua. Here we go. Guided Twin Stars, Aqua and Ruby. Nice. And Happy New Year, Ruby. And Hectic Filming Schedule, Minjo. And In Touch with Nature, Ruby. As well as a Theater Date Akane. What? Sorry, my puppy hears something. And Happy New Year, Kana Arima. Which one to choose, Mimcho? And then Encounter in the Morning Fog, Ruby again. Intense Emotions, Emotional Acting, Aqua. Nice. Blade Taiki. Either way, pretty cool. And then Acting of a Genius. Oh. Nice. The level 0. Sorry, I can't really see it. Trembling Fan's Heart, Akane. That's a really cool card. And then another Mimcho. Oh, sorry, guys. Alrighty. Class Visit, Ruby. Another Akane from the main one. And then Christmas Day, Akane. Nice. I need to see if I had that other Akane. I had another one, but I don't know if I got rid of it or not. Maybe I'll build the competitive deck or not. Who knows? Ooh. It's a Mimcho. Oh, well. Follow creators Mimcho. And the twins Bond, Aqua, and Ruby. Some nice pulls here, guys. And yeah, that is it for this. I will see you all in the next one. Peace.